Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add word clocks to iPhone. So first tap on clock, and then there you see the list of word clock. But if you want to add the list, tap the plus, and then you can start choosing or you can also type in on the search bar. So for example, Netherlands, and then tap there. And then that's it. The clock is already on the list. To delete, tap edit, and then you can tap on the red button on the left and then tap delete, and then that's it. So again, you can just tap the red button and then delete. So that's it. And then once you're done, you can just tap done on the top left corner. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.